Did you know the deadliest air raid in history wasn't aimed at military targets, but at sleeping families? March 9th, 1945. Tokyo families were settling into their wooden homes for the night. Children were tucked into bed, mothers cleaning dishes, fathers preparing for another day of war. They had no idea 334 massive bombers were approaching in the darkness. Operation Meeting House was designed for one purpose: kill as many civilians as possible. The planes dropped thousands of napalm bombs directly onto residential neighborhoods. Within minutes, a firestorm erupted, reaching temperatures of 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Families found themselves trapped as their wooden homes became furnaces. People melted into the streets trying to escape. Mothers clutched their children as flames consumed them both. In one night, 100,000 civilians died, more than both atomic bombs combined. American planners called it a complete success. This wasn't war anymore. It was deliberate mass murder from the sky. The shift from military to civilian targets had begun.